So this is classic Yale Lake breeze, fresh breeze right now. I'm still sitting in, I'm not hiking out yet, but I've got the main in my hand and the tiller right here. I got the main and the tiller right here together. So I'm there's some nice fresh breeze right now. Sheeted out quite a bit. That's okay. I'm sort of on a reach. I'm on a nice reach actually, and I'm veering off to go on a broader reach when I get a gust. This is really nice. I've always got at least 1 foot under the strap, and I've usually got my dinghy boots on. I just took them off. I'm sitting in the boat right now, just on the bench, but I'm always ready to jump up, which is a great workout for your legs. That's what I love about sailing. It works your arms and your legs and your brain, at least the reaction part of your brain. Coming up now, just because I can see that some volume may be coming through, and I head up a little bit. Instead, that was nice. Head up more. Classic Yale volume right now. Crazy, it's nice. So it's not quite enough wind to white cap yet, not near that much. I'm back on my favorite tack here. This is master back on starboard. This is really nice out here. worry too much about the telltale on the inside of the sail. It's mainly the one on the outside. The leeward. So I'm doing a moderate hike right now, not full, but I'm sheeted out quite a bit. I'm solo right now. I like to sheet in as much as I can, but out a little bit, I'm tearing off. So I was getting a little overpowered again, not bad. It's that plus the gust. If that simultaneously happens, that's when you can capsize. It really. But the gusts out here right now are really mellow so far. When I get overpowered, I dump the main sump first and ease it out. I usually leave the jib like it is. So I've got it pulled up just clean next to me right here. And I just leave it there unless I need to let it out. The other thing that I've found is, oddly enough, even in high wind or fresh breeze, it can be really hypnotic, just zoning into the wind. And yeah, you look out to see what's going on ahead of you, but I look down just next to the boat, and it's just kind of a cool, restful feeling, actually. Riding the force of nature, you're ready to react. Worst thing is you go swimming. I need to tack. Once again, back on my favorite tack. I think it's just more off the wind here. That's what it is. It's a smoother ride, but it's really powered up. Got all the sail out. I'm hiking pretty good now. My feet are up in the front strap. I'm forward a little bit. I'm sheeted out a good bit. I'm ready. I'm ready to duck more wind if I need to. And bear off if need be. That's another move. Nice. A lot of power. Starting to try to do really small whitecaps, but it's just not there yet. I think it's blowing about 8 now. Maybe 7 to 8. This is fantastic. Just pretty good sail shape for these old sails. I'm gonna head up a little bit, see how that feels. I usually sheet in when I head up so that I have some latitude to bear off, hike out, bear off, and sheet out of this thing. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hiking up. Once again, the wind is just insane good out here. I couldn't ask for a better day. So right now I'm beating back upwind, and I pushed it pretty hard to beat, and it's just wonderful. I'm, gently hiked out. I'm not really out full or anything, and I'm just, trying to keep moving. Not too worried about exactly my tilt is correct. I'm just watching for gusts. I'm making really good headway. Big beat to wind, good angle to wind. Without working real hard, actually. Fine hike, but not a lot. Once again, I've got the main nothing bad about this. All good. I'm pretty much planning, although I'm sheeted out a good bit just because I'm solo. And then I just hike out when I get an easy gust. I'm not doing much. The boat's sailing itself. Just moving my body weight out a little bit now, and my shoulders. Fantastic sailing. Nice header there. I just had to bear off. So that's what you're ready for when you're out here. Sheet out, hike out, adjust your sails. They're lovely. You gotta be on your toes. Be another one here in a minute. So now, bolt tacks are really great each way, which is nice. Basically, just like I bring the tiller back to center, I try to get the main back to center when I can, as soon as I can, and then I'm able to, head up and sheet out as needed. Getting hit just that. Yeah, this is very nice. About 6 o'clock in the evening. The days are really long right now, but I do need to get back. So I'm doing the beat back up to the dam where I launched.